find out what you need. Calculate your protection need, the coverage amount. Then assess your financial situation. Manage your budget and cut down unnecessary expenses if you must. Then you can make a better decision. Yan. If you have a high responsibility in your family but not much money, term may be a better choice for you. If you have enough money to cover for your needs and savings, then you may want to look at other options. Yan. Talaga binibigyan tayo ng option kung ano yung mga gagawin natin. Kasi nga tayo yung magiging money manager ng ating sariling pera. Yan. Hindi natin to ipagkakatiwala sa iba. Tayo talaga yung magde-decide. Tayo yung gagawa. Kaya nga po dito sa IMG is DIY, do it yourself. Ikaw mismo yung gagawa para sa sarili mo para may